Full marks on this question was achieved by 0.5% of the student. It means like even not 1%. Okay, let's see why. T is a positive whole number. Okay. The expression 2t squared plus 5t plus 2 can never have a value that is a prime number. Explain why. Okay. So there were three types of students. Okay, who tried this question. The first type is who never tried. It means they didn't get an idea, so they just left. They didn't try it. Okay. So the other part, the second group is this 0.5% who did it correctly. The third group is they actually tried. They gave a try, but it was wrong. What they did was, like see here, t is a positive whole number, so it means t need to be like t, the minimum value t can have is 1. So what they did was they put like this, okay, t 2 into, instead of t they put 1, so 1 squared plus 5 into 1 plus 2, that will be like 2 plus 5 plus 7, like 2 is like 7, 9. Okay, 9. So they wrote, okay, 9 is not a prime number. Then they put t is equal to 2. So 2 into 2 squared plus 5 into 2 plus 2. So like 2 squared is 4. 4 into 2 is 8 plus 5 into 2 is 10 plus 2. So it will be like 10 plus 8, 18, 20. So they wrote, okay, 20 is not a prime number. So they said, okay, this particular expression will never have a value that is prime number. They just said it like that. But the problem is this is not a proof. We just plugged in two values like t is equal to 1, t is equal to 2, and we can't say that, okay, it won't have a value that is, it won't have a prime number value. We can't say that because that is not a proof. So how to prove this? Okay, let's give a try. 2t squared plus 5t plus 2. First of all, we need to understand that what is a prime number. Okay, we need to understand what is a prime number. Prime number is just a number which has only two factors, okay. One is 1. Okay, it means you can divide a prime number by 1. The other factor would be itself. It means, for example, if you take 3, 3 is a prime number. So what are the factors of 3? 1 and 3. If you take 5, 5 is a prime number. What are the factors of 5? 1 and 5. So it will have only two factors. One is 1, other one is itself. Okay, so this is the definition of prime number. So here they are talking about prime numbers. So for the definition of prime numbers, what we use some like how to identify a prime number by the factors. So let's factorize this. Okay, let's factorize this. So we need to find two numbers. If we add it, we need to get 5. If we multiply it, 2 into 2 into, so 2 into 2. So if we multiply it, we want to get 4. So what are the two values? 4 into 1 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. So 4 and 1 is the number. So we can write this as 2t squared plus 4t plus 1t plus 2. It means I have divided this 5t into 4t plus 1t. So now you can take common, like you can take 2t as common, so it will be t plus 2. So here t plus 2, so it will be 1 plus 1. So the factors are t plus 2 into 2t plus 1. These two are the factors. Okay, these two are the factors. It means this expression can be written as a product of these two factors, t plus 2 into 2t plus 1. Okay, so now we'll plug the values. T is equal to 1. T is equal to 1. So if you plug it, so 1 plus this factor will be 1 plus 2. So it will be 3. Here it will be like 2 into 1 plus 1. So it will be like 3. So for the even the smallest value, it means when t is equal to 1, the two factors are 3, 3. 3, 3. Okay. Uh, Even for the lowest number, we are getting 3, 3. We didn't get 1. If you didn't understand this, okay, I'll show you. T is equal to 2. Okay, so it will be like 2 plus 2. Other one would be like 2 into 2 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5. So 4 comma 5. So it will increase the numbers, the factor here, here 3 3 no, here 4 5. The numbers will increase because t plus 2. Here there is plus. When t increases, these two factors also increase. So the minimum number it can take is 3 3. So the minimum number it can take is 3. For a prime number, one vector need to be 1 here, but in our case we have the minimum number as 3. So we won't get 1 as a factor. If we can't get a factor like factor 1, it means we actually don't have a prime number. That is how we prove. Okay, so you can write here. Okay, so in the so I can write, since the expression, okay, since the expression is always the product of two integers, okay, two integers or two numbers, strictly, okay, strictly greater than 1. Why? Because the, okay, you can write minimum it takes is 3. So if you want you can write it. Okay, so minimum it takes is 3. So the product of two integers strictly greater than 1. So basically it won't take 1. So it can't be a, so it can't be a, or so the expression cannot have a prime number. Okay, also better to write this. Okay, prime number has two factors. One is like, you can put 1 and itself. Okay, 1 and itself. So it won't have 1, so it is not a prime number. That's it. This is how you prove, and you need to write this as a small sentence, okay, to conclude. So I think this is not a difficult question, but they didn't actually like, the students didn't get an idea to how to like completely write the answer. Okay, it means they didn't understand what is a prime number. That is the first issue. Second thing, even though some know that a prime number is a factor of 1 and itself, but still they didn't figure out how to solve it. Only 0.5% of the students have been like have been able to solve this. So it's a good question. Thanks, that's it. So there are more number of difficult questions I am trying to upload. So see you in the next video.